Let's get stronger with minimal movement. No, it's not because we're lazy. These are isometric exercises. They're really important. They reach those really deep muscle fibers. We're doing this for our core. We're gonna start off with some planks. Wall planks, we're beginners. The first plank is gonna be a straight arm plank. The further your feet are from the wall, the more challenging. I'm going to do this distance, and then we're just gonna hold for a few seconds. Try to do between 10 to 30 seconds. You could even push it to a minute. Straight arm plank, we're holding this plank and keeping our core nice and solid and strong. Our spine is straight as well. Now here's a really challenging one. Let's bend our elbows and then hold our position right before our elbows touch the wall. Again, keeping those core muscles engaged and strong. Oh my gosh, they burn. This is the low plank. It engages your tricep muscles. I'm sure you could feel them right now. All right, now another challenging one is gonna be the long plank. I'm gonna place my feet slightly closer, and then I'm gonna reach up to the top over my head, and I'm gonna hold that plank position just like a bridge. And hey, your abdominal muscles are the ones that are holding you up. Remember that. Mind-muscle connection. Think of engaging and contracting those abs, keeping them nice and solid, keeping you up and keeping that spine nice and aligned. Again, hold between 10 to 30 seconds. You could even push it to a minute. It really depends on your level. And the last one is again a little challenging. We're going into a wide plank. We're putting our arms wider than shoulder width apart. Now this is gonna be engaging your chest muscles as well as your core, and of course your shoulders and arms. We're holding this for, again, 10, 30, 60 seconds. It really depends on you. So we're doing this on the wall. You can always do it on the floor if you dare, but we're beginners here, so we always start with what's most accessible to us. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth throughout the whole routine. Never hold your breath. All right, can you do it? Let's try.